What? Okay. Good morning, guys. Today is, what's today? Wednesday. Oh my god, it's Thursday actually, but look at all the birdies that are outside. No one cares. It'll focus. Look at them. I don't even know if there's any bird food in those bird houses. Sorry, there's the blinds. But that little green thing, I don't know, that over there. My mom gave that. Oh, another one came. Oh, and another one came. Oh my god. Oh, they're fighting. My mom got me that, well, she got Liam, I guess, that bird feeder. He loves to watch the birds. The only thing is with this bird, I don't have, whoa, sorry guys. The only thing with the bird feeder is that I don't have anything to hang it on. There's trees right there, but they're like too high for me to hang anything on. So the bird feeder is just sitting on the ledge and it's super close. Oh look, no, oh look, this is my favorite bird. Oh my god, this is so lame. Oh god. He's really fast. That bird right there. Oh god. Oh, he's still there. Oh, anyways. Anywho, I'm turning into a lame-o who just watches birds. But I had to stick the bird feeder on the ledge, so it's kind of hard. Like, we can't go out there because then we're going to scare them away. So I can't really see. I don't know if Liam can see him. He's looking. Oh, birdie. Can you say birdie? Can you say birdie? Oh, okay. He felt the need to get on the ground. Here. Let's do this for you. Wait. Can you say birdie? Hey, Liam. Look at his hair blowing. He's standing on the vent. Can you say birdie? Birdie. Oh, good job! My baby voice. Wow, that's annoying. We scared all the birdies away, huh? Yeah. Yep. Birdie. Birdie. Aww, the birdies, are they all gone? Oh, just the cutest thing in the whole entire world. Oh. Oh. Oh, I see them. They're up high. Up, all the way up in the tree. Look at them. Okay. Cheers. You grouper. Anywho. Okay. Oh, thanks for sharing. Okay. Oh, you're so sweet. So anyways, thank you. Oh, thank you. So sweet. Okay, look at the birds. So like as I was saying, I don't know what I was saying, to be honest. Today's Thursday, not Wednesday. That was where we were starting off. I think today's Thursday. Today's Friday. What's today? Honestly, I don't know what today is. The 17th, maybe? Maybe that's right. Anywho, we are going to actually get out of the house. We haven't gotten out of the house in the past 2 days. Me and the boys haven't. It was super rainy yesterday and the day before that. I didn't have to go anywhere and it was just so cold. Whoa. Whoa! What is that? Oh gosh. Is that a helicopter? I don't want to eat it. Can you say helicopter? Oh, okay. Can you say helicopter?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just yeah, we don't want to say it. Yeah. Nice seat. So, anywho, I forgot where I was going with this. Oh, so today we're actually going to leave the house. We're going to go to Target and Joann's. I need to pick up, what do we need? A cake pan and an icing spatula for Jameson's birthday, which is on the 22nd, Tuesday, whenever that is. So I need to pick up stuff for that, and then Target, I want to do my nails, and I want to make them long. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. So I want to pick up those tips. And then we can just look around Target. Jameson loves Target, so I figured we could just hang around there. I also wanted to get a craft at Joann's, possibly Target, whichever one has a craft, and have Jameson create it. And then send it to one of his friends back in Cali. Okay, no, what the heck? I'm waiting for Joann's to open right now, so we're hanging out. I'm obviously gonna go to Target first. There you go. Oh, good job. Thanks, bud. We're gonna go to Target first and then go to Joann's, but I'm kind of waiting just in case for Target trip-ish. No, we don't play with these. Oh my gosh. We don't play with those. My God. Okay, stop. We're just hanging out now until we have to leave. We're gonna leave pretty soon. I'm gonna stop at Target first and then go to Joann's, but Joann's isn't open yet. So, also, the boys are destroying my Christmas tree. Looks fine, right? Don't mind the boxes, Christmas gifts and stuff like that. Here's 2 ornaments. There's, what, 4, 5, whatever. 4 more ornaments. Ignore the mess. I obviously need to clean, but these leggings I just got. That's what they look like. These are, I could do the famous, I don't have a butt, but I could do the, these are from Balance. They don't have these anymore. They're complete, I think they're sold out. I don't know. I can leave the link to the website down below for you guys. Pretty positive they're sold out of these. Or in most sizes, they're sold out in these. I'll show you guys, like, this is the print of them. They're so comfy. I love them. They're so cute. I'm very a black gal. My favorite thing is black. I wear it all the time, so I got these black ones. I had other fun color ones, tan ones, pink and green ones, blue ones. I think that's it. I think that's it. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys about that because I really like this brand. I think they do good things. They donate every time they do a launch, because usually they launch a collection and it sells out pretty quickly, so just a heads up for that. They have Instagram, all that, so you guys can follow them there if you like these or interested. They're a bit on the pricier side, but I love supporting smaller businesses rather than, I mean, I still love Lululemon, don't get me wrong, but I like to support smaller businesses because, you know, that's hard shit. I mean, I haven't done it, but I bet you it's hard shit to run a business. So, yeah, I just thought I would tell you guys. I'm also wearing this long sleeve shirt from Target. It is Can't really see, actually, which is a good thing. It's a little see-through, but I love it. It also has a hole in it, so somewhere. Oh my god. Hi, I'm new. Yeah, so I would say it only lasts like a season. I mean, I'm still wearing this, or 2 seasons. I definitely need a new one. I don't know if they have it. It's by Universal Thread. So there's that. Enough blabbing because it's 12 minutes and I haven't even done anything for the rest of the day. Okay? Okay, so we just got back from Target and Joann's. I got my iced coffee. I get a grande iced coffee with vanilla and cream. It's seriously like my go-to, my favorite, hands down. Target, I didn't get what I wanted, actually. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I went there to go get tips for my nails so I could do that. Didn't have what I wanted, so maybe later while we're out, if we go out tonight, I can stop at Walgreens, but to take both the boys to Walgreens just isn't my vibe. So I bought nothing healthy at Target, so there's that too. Boom Chick Pop kettle corn. Best. Hot Cheetos. Last night I stay awake past everyone else and I'm just on my phone watching YouTube videos, and I was watching a whole bunch of people just eat like spicy noodles and stuff like that, so it made me really want Hot Cheetos, so I had to get those. Body wash. This is the Olay body wash in, dude, I don't know, it's the pink one. It smells delicious. These, I am so excited about these. I saw them, Lauren Elizabeth posted them on her Instagram, on her Insta story. She was in Chicago, I think, when she got these. I looked them up where I could get them. It said Target. These are the they're this. I'm not even going to pronounce the brand because I don't want to butcher it. They're oat milk. Vanilla oat milk. I love oat milk. It is seriously so good, which the Starbucks here, they don't have oat milk. That's really disappointing. Okay. And then I got Rolos. Hugs. These are better than kisses. It is what it is. And then mint truffle ones. I put some in this last time. I got some hugs and then I put them in here. I mean, it only filled up 2, so I was gonna put all of these in here so it's like a little Christmassy decoration-y treat thing. Not that I need it, but it's cute. And when I have a craving for chocolate, I feel like when I have a craving for chocolate, it's when I don't have chocolate. And then when I have chocolate around me, I don't want it. Is that just me? And that's all I got at Target. At Joann's, I got an 8 by 3 inch cake pan for Jameson's birthday cake. I got a spatula for icing the cake. An icing spatula. I got Jameson a coloring sticker book, which he's putting with it right now. It's PJ Masks. And then crayons. And then I got these 2 Paw Patrol coloring books. They're super into Paw Patrol right now. And this Paw Patrol, this is for Liam. Paw Patrol, when it comes with little markers. And then it has just a bunch of little coloring pages. I thought that was cute. So I might stick these in like their stocking or something. I'm not really sure. I mean, they know that I bought it, but they're at the age. And that's all I got. So nothing too crazy, obviously. Just went to browse. I looked at Christmas stuff at Joann's and definitely picked over. I feel like I definitely should have looked there earlier. I didn't even think to go to Joann's. So yeah, they didn't have any Christmas stuff. It was like 60% off though. They had some stuff, but nothing that matched my theme. Who's that? Who is that? Cat boy.
And Romeo.
And Romeo. Wow, these are pretty cool. And you got some stickers.
No,
And there's two of my ornaments.
that's Night Ninja.
Oh, Night Ninja.
And the PJ, there's Gecko and Cowboy now it.
You're so right. Good job, Jameson. These are the crayons that I got. They're large crayons. So they're like huge compared to, that's why I got them. So they don't snap in half. The washable part's cool. I don't know what, oh, why don't you do it on the ground? We need to get you guys a little table, huh? What color is Catboy?
Blue.
Blue. What color is Gecko?
What's the green one? Oh yeah, that one.
Green. Good job. What color is Owlette? She's red.
Red. There. Now pink. And what's the blue one? Oh yeah, the blue one.
Yep, the Night Ninja's blue.
And Cowboy's blue.
And Catboy's blue. Exciting news. Our couch is coming on the 22nd. I am so excited. I'm just so pumped. I saw that it was in stock online. I called them. They're like, nope, sorry, like online could be wrong. I figured that. They already told me that. And then they were double checking and they're like, actually it looks like we have it in stock. So thank God I called. So freaking happy. I'm so excited. I'm very scared that it's either going to be too small or too big, or I hate it. I don't know. It's a very comfortable couch, so I think I'll be fine. Yeah, I'm just so excited. I'm just mostly scared that it'll be too big or too small. We measured it, so hopefully, you know, it does. It's just weird when you like look at it in store. Like, the one that we wanted was like the model one that they had in store, and it looked glorious. It looks like a good size couch, and then we measured it and it wouldn't fit here. Like none of the options would really fit here. So we got just like an L one. I'm thinking about possibly getting the ottoman thing. I don't know. I just don't know. Because this isn't our forever couch. But I don't know how long we'll keep it, and I don't know what we'll do after it. So it's kind of like, do I get it? Like, is it worth it? I think it's like $500 for like the ottoman thing. I mean, you can store blankets in it, but I wanted to get a basket anyways. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud, I guess, at this point. It is, you don't stick them on the ground, you goob. I'm hungry, so I'm thinking I'm gonna make myself a bagel and watch Real Housewives of Salt Lake City. You guys, I absolutely love that show. When I saw that it was coming out with Real Housewives of Salt Lake City, I was so excited. I don't know why. First of all, Salt Lake City seems beautiful. I really want to visit there. Love it. There's one of the people on there that I'm not a big fan of, but you know, still obsessed with that show. I really was into Real Housewives of New York City. I think that's like my all-time favorite. I don't know why. That one, but I just love that one. But I don't really keep up with it or watch it. I just feel like if it's on, I'll watch it kind of thing, and I have nothing else to watch. But Salt Lake City, I've been keeping up with. I'm obsessed with. I love it. It's just all around a great time. Anyhow, gonna watch that. Total Bells is on tonight. I watched that. We have to watch the challenge because we finished Amazing Race last night, so we have to watch the challenge tonight because Corey's a grandpa and can't stay up. I'm just kidding. He wakes up at the booty crack at dawn, so. Yeah. Me and Bubs are going to probably snack. Liam is sleeping. I didn't say that. Liam's sleeping now. And yeah, he woke up at 5:47 this morning. I don't even know why. Woke up, whatever, I got him, and he was just like screaming, crying. Like he wanted to go and eat or come out here and play. I don't know what the deal was. So I woke Jameson up. Jameson was still asleep by 5:47. I woke him up. So he's taking a nap now. Hopefully Jameson will take a nap today. Corey brought up going to the zoo possibly today. I don't know about that. Possibly do something. I just don't know about the zoo because someone's gonna fall asleep. So we shall see what the day has in store. It's been a while since I last picked up the camera. Since then, Liam has woken up, obviously. Hi, baby. We played outside for a little. It is freezing today. Corey has come home. He's in the shower now. Hi, baby. You're so cute. Oh, he's a scratch on his face? I can't really see it. You don't know it from what? And he tried a hot Cheeto. Didn't like it, and then proceeded to try another hot Cheeto. And also didn't like it. So there's that. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because nothing's really going on. I'm gonna make some enchiladas for dinner. In like 30 minutes. Don't touch. Don't touch. I'm gonna make enchiladas here in a little, and then other than that, we're just gonna kind of have a chill night. So just figured I jibber jabbered enough in the vlog, so probably I'm just gonna end it here. Yeah. If anything exciting or crazy happens, I will pick the camera back up, but the odds of that are very unlikely. We're just gonna hang out. I'm gonna make dinner. Get these boys ready for bed, and that's our night.